Good day everyone, I am back at Universal Studios Hollywood for the final video before the Nope section of the studio tour opens up. It's going to be very exciting to see. We're going to see if there's any small details added, and of course, as always, we're going to check to see if there's any new Halloween Horror Nights updates. So with that, let's get right into the video. Here we have a quick look for the horrors of Blumhouse. It is last call for Waterworld, so let's get going. Honestly, no idea what this could be. At this point, it could be just about anything. But it is looking very cool so far. Here's another look at the facade work going on for the horrors of Blumhouse over at Waterworld. So you probably won't be able to see anything from this vantage point, but it's just a lot of tall black walls. So I'm very curious to see how this maze is going to use Freaky and the Black Phone. So speakers and sound equipment are now being added to the maze that is in Parisian Courtyard. So we have some trees now being added to the front of the unnamed Curious George 1 maze. To the right, confirmed by John Murdy himself, that is not a scarecrow, it is in fact Trash Bag Man. So it will just be a maze all about Trash Bag Man and how he torments and destroys anyone who does not recycle or throw away their trash properly. And I think that's the perfect theme for a maze, because too many people throw away their recycling or their trash wrong. And I think it's time to have a villain to fix those mistakes. It looks like some grass work is being done out front of the Myers home for Halloween. It is pretty hard to see what they're working on from the tram to get a forward look of the facade, but as you can see, it looks like they are adding some old dead grass to the front of the maze. I don't think those trees will be in place in front of the house, or maybe, because you can see one on the other side of the porch. So maybe that tree that's by that brown box is in fact for the Halloween facade. So here we come up to the Halloween facade. See if we could see anything different. Visit us again and again. If you'd like to purchase any of the titles you saw on the tour today, you can visit uphe.com or visit any one of our retail. It's hard to see with that container block in the way. Once again, thank you so much for joining me on. So nothing too obvious has been done to the facade for Universal Monsters Legends Collide. Still looks about the same from last trip. So if you look closely down by the restrooms, like right under the pyramids, there is another Mario flag, and it looks like to the left, up on top of the mountains, just to the right of Bowser's Castle, there is a Goomba now on top of the mountain. Or the wall, whatever you would like to call it. Then you can see some work being done on Peach's castle on the right hand side, and still no work yet being done on the grain tunnel that you will use to enter the land. And the mansion, you could see coins on top of the Super Nintendo World Mount Beanpole.
Broadway. It's also our largest soundstage at just under 30,000. GLAAD award-winning revival seasons of Saved by the Bell
And back behind,
NBC's Superstore, all filmed right there.
Stage 29.
Now, the here is no stranger to television production. We're actually currently in production for Netflix's
Here
Never
is
Have
the
I Ever.
giant
coming up
sets.
ahead on your right-hand side in sound stages 41, 42, and 43. You can
For
see
the
a big elephant
unnamed
door open there. If
stage
you see any of those
behind
other
stage
doors
29
open,
maze.
Feel free to look inside, take a picture.
Looks
You'll
like
never
some
know
paint
what
is
you
going
might
up
see.
inside.
Because Never Have I Ever is currently
And here we have work already starting for the Terror Tram, it looks like.
Used in the original production of Psycho.
Crazy that they're starting already, because it feels like last year they put it up in like 2 weeks before opening day. So here is Jupiter's Claim that will be opening to the public a week from now. There was a little media event that was held where some bloggers or vloggers got to walk through Jupiter's Claim, and they had little show moments, and it was a lot of fun. It looked like a lot of fun, but I am very curious on how they will implement those elements from walking through to a studio tour experience. Jupiter's Claim will be opening next Friday, not June, but July 22nd with the movie. So I'm thinking of seeing Nope on Thursday, so that if there are any spoilers in this little experience, it will not get spoiled for me when I head to the park next Friday.
Theme park from Nope.
Oh, so they did
Now, like
put
I
the
said,
horse
these are
back
actual
on top of the
designer
truck.
Ruth DeYoung designed these, and they constructed them for the movie. When they were done filming, they carefully took them apart, brought them over here, and reconstructed them
But I
on our
thought it was
lot
bloodier
for
last
our
time,
studio
or am I
tour.
just making that up?
The movie premieres July 22nd, and it will be a stop on our studio tour. We'll drive right through the center of Jupiter's Claim there, starting July 22nd. That's the first time an attraction on the studio tour has opened up the same day as its movie counterpart. So come back, see the movie, come back.
So that will do it for me here at Universal Studios Hollywood. There's a lot of construction going on with mazes. Jupiter's Claim is looking fantastic. Can't wait for that to open up. And Super Nintendo World is looking great as well, with more and more props being added by the day. I wouldn't be surprised if the Nope Jupiter's Claim set is used for Halloween Horror Nights, since the Terror Tram usually ends at War of the Worlds. So if they just extend it a little bit into Jupiter's Claim, I could definitely see that happening. I'm also going to be seeing Nope on Thursday, so that when I come here on Friday for the grand opening of Jupiter's Claim, I'm not spoiled by anything that happens inside the little Jupiter's Claim experience, if that makes sense. So I will see you all in the next video, and have a great day. Bye!